Docs Made Easy is a powerful Salesforce app that helps you automate document generation with just a few clicks, whether you need to create invoices, proposals, or contracts, and more. Docs Made Easy streamlines the entire process, saving you time and reducing manual errors. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through setting up Docs Made Easy and generating your very first document directly from Salesforce. If you have installed the app from AppExchange, then in your Salesforce org, simply click on the app launcher at the top left corner and search for Docs Made Easy. Once the app opens, go to the Document Setup tab and click on Launch Wizard. You've successfully launched the Setup Wizard. Next, on the Add Details page, enter a name in the Button Name field and select a Salesforce object. Then, click on the Create button to move ahead. You've created your custom button. After that, on the Gather Data page, click on the Add Child button. Select an object, assign an alias to it, and click Save. Once done, click Next at the bottom of the page to continue. You've successfully gathered data from related objects. Now, on the Add Templates page, click Create New Document Template. An Upload Template pop-up will appear. Click on Merge Field Helper. A new window will open where you can select the fields you'd like to include in your template, such as account number or account description. Copy the syntax using the Copy to Clipboard button and paste it into your document template. Similarly, click on Relationship Merge Fields to add fields from related objects. Copy their syntax and paste them into your template to make it more dynamic. Once your template is ready, give it a name, click on Upload Files, and then choose Save and Next to proceed. Next, we move to the Assign Behaviors page. Here, I've enabled background mode so the process runs seamlessly behind the scenes. Under Generated File, I've selected PDF as the output format. You can also change it based on your preferences. Once these are set, simply click Save and Next to continue. On the Add button to Page Layout page, click Go to Page Layouts, then open the account layout. Under Mobile and Lightning Actions, find the custom button you created and drag it into the Salesforce Mobile and Lightning Experience Actions section. Click Save to confirm. Now, open the App Launcher again and search for Accounts. Open any account record and you'll see your custom button at the top right corner of the page. Finally, on the Account page, click on Account Details, and your document will automatically be downloaded in PDF. Congratulations! There you have it! You've just created your first document with Docs Made Easy. Quick, simple, and powerful. Start generating your documents today and make your documentation experience even smoother.